Jack, he's stuck. Oh no. Help me, somebody help me. He is a turtle. Now Jake's gonna bust his chops. Oh no.
Give me that picture.
So he somehow got himself through the handle of the bag. It is a true cat trap. Watch out, other kitties. You get trapped too. Get in the cat trap. Now he's going to get his head through. Oh. He's got it on his back legs now. Oh. He's starting to get frustrated.